we're going to do fried collard greens. Fried spicy collard greens. Yes, indeed. Now, what you're going to need is some leftover chicken grease. That's why I said keep your chicken grease. If you fry some chicken and it has all that seasoning, render in it, keep that chicken grease. Put it in a jar and put it in the refrigerator and use it just like bacon grease, which I don't use bacon grease, but I don't have nothing against anyone who use it. But do it just as you do bacon grease. Put it in the refrigerator. Chicken grease is really good. One thing, I like to boil my greens. Collard greens have a tendency to sometimes be tough and real bitter and overpowering greeny taste. So if you boil them, like I showed you how in the turkey necks, the smoked turkey necks, you get that. Now here they are right here. They are already warmed and everything. So what you're going to need to do my fried collard greens, you're going to need red bell pepper, onion, jalapeno pepper, and green bell pepper, red bell pepper, onion, and jalapeno pepper. You're going to need to put it in the chicken grease. Yes, indeed. And then you're going to need garlic. You're going to need some garlic to put in there. These is going to be some souped up, fried collard greens. And this is what we're doing now. So what we're going to do is add some peppercino, because we want them kind of spicy, y'all. A little spiciness in the peppercino. Now, you don't have to have them that spicy. You don't have to put that in there. You don't have to. So what we're going to do is let this cook, and we'll be right back and show you how to do the greens. We'll let this cook down, okay? All right, everything is cooked. And what we're going to do is add some tomato paste. We're going to add some tomato paste next, just like this. We want to have a richness, a rich taste. Now, collard greens are not a flavorful dish like mustard and turnips. So collard greens got to have a little taste going on with them, you know? Especially when you're not using any smoked pork. Okay, what we're doing now is just blending this together, just like that. That smells good, y'all. Smells real good. Okay, smell real good. So I'm going to let this cook for a minute or two, and we'll be right back. Okay, just let that simmer just a little with that tomato paste, and we'll be right back. Okay, now we have it all blended together. Smelling good up in the house, y'all. Smelling good. Okay, what we're going to do now is add the collard greens. Now, we're going to pour some of this oil out, and I'll be right back. All right, I poured some of the oil out, so what I'm going to do now is add the collard greens, just like this. And you want some of the oil in, you can leave some in, and you can take it out if you don't want it in. Okay, we're going to flip them up in the substance right here, y'all. Flip them up in there like that. Smelling good. Look at that. Fried collard greens. They are fried, all right. Okay, they're going to be fried. But I had to pre-boil them and boil them so we can fry them. Okay? We're doing that, stirring all this up in there, just like that. And get them all together. Look at that. Ain't they look good? Ooh, my goodness, they look good. Flip them all up like that. Get them all in there. And then we're going to put a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in it. Have you heard in New Orleans they call it, pickle tails or something. So we're going to put a little apple cider vinegar to give that little pickle tail taste. And then we're going to add some jalapeno pepper juice in there too, y'all. Just like that. And we're going to let them cook and fry, and we'll be right back. All right. Our collard greens are frying. So the last step we're going to do is add our shredded turkey, smoked turkey. I'm going to add that in there. I'm going to tilt it up in now just like that. And we have our fried turkey in here. And we have our fried collard greens. Highly seasoned, spicy, not too spicy, just as spicy as you want them. Our collard greens. Here they are right there. And I'm going to show you what they look like right here. And man, they are delicious and they smell so good. Look at the onion in there. Oh my goodness, look at it, y'all. Gotta taste it for y'all. Gotta taste these fried collards for y'all. Woo! Smells so good. Okay. And you know what, y'all? I gotta have some cornbread with it. Yes, indeed. I gotta have some cornbread with this.